In this video, I will show you how to transform your Tenda RX2 Pro Wi-Fi 6 router into a powerful range extender. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect Tenda router to laptop or mobile. First, connect your Tenda RX2 Pro to power and place it near your main Wi-Fi router during setup. Next, connect your laptop or phone to the Tenda router LAN port or default Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Log into Tenda router. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1. Use your Tenda router login password to log in. Step 3. Change mode to range extender. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings. Click on More in the top menu, and then select Working Mode from left side menu. You'll see the current mode displayed. Now, under cleint+AP mode, click the Switch Mode button. Click OK button when tips pop-up window open. After switching modes, the router will scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Simply select your main router's Wi-Fi name from the list and enter its password. Type password carefully and press Connect button. The router will apply the changes and restart. Wait until router rebooting. After reboot complete, access Tenda router with login URL tendawifi.com. Log in Tenda router again to change extender SSID network name. If you want change different SSID name for extender network, go to Wi-Fi settings from top menu and change SSID and password and save settings. Step 4. Test extender network. Go to your mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and connect for extender SSID and check internet should work. Do not connect any device to its WAN port. This port is for router mode only. In extender mode, all connections should be made wirelessly or through the LAN ports. Once the setup is complete, you can move the RX2 Pro to its final location, somewhere between your main router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. That's it. You've successfully set up your Tenda RX2 Pro as a range extender. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more networking tutorials. Thanks for watching.